Hi, today I will show you how to set up a secure Wi-Fi. With a poorly secured Wi-Fi, malware can infiltrate and record your online activities, or your network could be misused for illegal downloads. That's why a secure Wi-Fi is so important. I will give you some tips to secure your Wi-Fi. To stay safe and up to date, activate the automatic update function on your router. If this is not available, regularly check the user interface for available updates. Your router is operated by software, usually called firmware. Therefore, check your router's user interface regularly for updates. These quickly close newly discovered security holes. Another very important measure to safely surf at home is the encryption of your network. Use the WPA2 encryption standard. Since your devices normally store the password after the first entry, encryption can be long and have a lot of different characters. Don't forget, when you install the router for the first time, change the default Wi-Fi password. First, secure your router's user interface. Use a secure password and, if available, a username only known to you. Otherwise, criminals will have an easy time accessing your network and changing settings. In the user interface of your router, you can set the network name. Make sure that it doesn't collide with other network names in the vicinity. You can also tell your router to only allow devices to access your network that you have defined in the settings. This includes all devices that you personally use in your household, like your tablet, smartphone or printer. This is defined by the MAC address, which is unique to each device. Another important step is to create a guest Wi-Fi. Find out how on the next clip or on our online guide.